Good morning YouTube, hello and welcome. My name is Henry and this is my video blog Henry Wonders. Today it's time for me to make laundry. So I will take all those cuties and actually I will take off what I'm wearing now. I will take this cutie, which is kind of ecological soap, and you see it has like, oh, it's so cute. And I will take this red, do you say pile, that my lovely neighbors lent me, and I will just slack and slack on this tube, and I do like this. I fill it with water, and the tube is running all the time, is escaping, and soon I will add some soap and the tube will continue escaping. So I need my both hands, so I stop the video. So he's a boy and he's yours?
Yes, he's a boy. And
he's like, it's not husky, right? Or it is?
It's a husky, but white one, gray actually.
Wow. Look at all the vines and the beautiful mountain. Me and Katerina going in a new way.
Hello.
It's the first time we tried this way. Not first time, for me this year first time. I tried it last year. It's not the main road, so I don't know. We should see.
If we hear dogs, we will run.
But look, it's so nice. Maybe I can buy, I want one day to buy a house here, if I have the money.
No goats.
With some goats, yes. Okay, maybe if my YouTube vlog is... Hear me guys, I need your help to buy a house here. Okay, so watch my videos because it will help me gain money. We find some fruit, we will steal it. Like, Karimene, I can get... Go.
It's little bit on your friend.
Take. Oh, what?
It's ball.
Oh, I think we got some. The graveyard. You see how much land every man needs? Not much. And I hope when I'm done, they won't put me in a grave. I will ask for it. I want the nature to take me back. Like I want the animals to eat me. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. It's very. I can become a tree.
Make a nice fruit like this, a tree.
Yes, maybe like I can become this kind of tree, and other crazy people can come and take my fruits, eh? Found some wild berries. They're so beautiful. I'm not sure they are... Oh. Usually they are not yet ready this season, but let's check. Meh. Okay. Oh wow. I miss this flavor. But yeah, you can taste they're like wild. But okay, I like it. It was a long walk. It was very hot. But the road was interesting. And I got finally to this place, which is really cute and nice. And it seems like it's possible for me to work here. Very quiet and beautiful. There is electricity. There is a chair, a table, soda, like sparkling water, and juice. Let's start. בעצם הסקריפט לא יופעל שוב ושוב ברצף, אוקיי? אלא הוא בעצם יופעל פעם אחת. And in the middle of work, the kitten came and started playing with my cables. Apparently cables are like the most delicious and playful thing you can have. And as work was finished, I went back to the village. Bravo. Pauline. Very nice. Look at all those pretty stuff. And the nice lady who makes them. What's your name?
Talia.
Thalia. I'm Henry. Nice to meet you. You made all of it like yourself?
Yep.
How much time does it take you usually to make one? Like
10-15 minutes for
Wow.
necklace, 20 minutes for bracelet.
so fast. They're really nice. And like, oh, they have a price. The price depends on the stone, on the crystal.
It depends if it's a rare stone or if it's readily available.
This is also cute.
Lamp.
Yes,
The lamp too.
you make the lamps too. You're very talented. Do you have Instagram or something?
Yeah, you can have a card.
I will tag you on the video.
Okay. It's blooming muse.
It's like, okay.
Yeah. There you
Sorry.
go. And
So-
you can keep it out. I'll put some.
It's really nice. I think like I would be
do the
happy
card too.
to keep it. You make the card as well.
Yeah.
Why? Where are the bones? The bones jewelry.
Okay, I'm bringing you the bone jewelry for your video.
Yay! We will see the bone jewelry.
Bones banks.
Bones banks. Hola! Oh my
So
God!
this is a horn with crystals. It goes like this. So you have to have a thin neck. or else it
You
gets
put it on the
stuck.
neck like this. Okay.
And then
Oh wow! That's hardcore. I must say. Wow! You are
this guy
serious.
here.
You are very serious.
I think it's nice. I mean,
It's really nice. It's special, for sure. It's very
yeah,
special.
The pink is silk and the black is velvet and all the
It's
bones are bones.
it's like goat,
It's like goat bones, yeah. Just from here, from
and they go. They're selling on Etsy.
yeah,
Yes, people actually like the horn is really special, but
yeah. Well, it depends which piece, you know, like. Okay, I have a wand.
Harry
You can have the
Potter.
moment,
You can see all the all the secrets.
And I have this kind of thing too.
The metal.
Yeah. Just buying myself time to reach the other bone. This one. You know me, I'm gonna make a mess and then I'm going to spend all day tomorrow picking it up. Okay, this one I
No,
love.
don't make a mess for me.
Yeah,
But okay.
it's fun.
Wow, it's a piece of skull.
This one, it's a hip bone.
Oh yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's really
It's
hardcore.
like
Amazing.
this hole is
It's for the hip. Yes,
This,
like
yeah.
the.
like this.
It's like a
Yeah.
backbone.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice.
and I put like a gold leaf on the inside.
Around like how much does it cost, more or less?
You know, I don't remember.
Like around like
I don't know, maybe 45, 50.
It's gold.
It depends. It's bronze.
Bronze. Another day in paradise is coming to an end. I thank the universe for all the gifts I got this day, the music, the people, the food. It was amazing. See you tomorrow.